Let me give you a visual. That hangs. The bottom, can't see the bottom here, but the bottom is frayed. It has a frayed look on the bottom, all the way around. And this is a pull over. There's no zippers, or it just completely pulls over your body. And it has this. If you want to wrap around your waist. This right here comes off. You can tuck it in and hide it so your face shows, or you can do this. It's very comfortable, really light, very cool. So I hope this helps, and you have yourself a good day.